I was diagnosed with lung cancer in May 2011. It was quite a shock getting diagnosed with cancer, and it really makes you realize you have no control over your life. Now, when we can test for gene mutations in patients, we can choose drugs that are targeted for that particular patient's type of cancer.
Scientists can now detect with unprecedented accuracy the mutations that can lead to cancer. The ability to uncover the interactions of tumor cells has enabled research into the specific mutations that drive cancer.
That's huge. And the side effects are less because you're not trying to kill all cells. You're targeting only the cancer cells as much as possible.
These discoveries are now the focus of treatments that specifically target cancer cells with these mutations, with the hope of slowing and even stopping cancer growth. This is the new era called precision medicine. The process of testing for these types of mutations is called molecular testing. So this has led to the discovery that some cancers may have the same type of mutations even though they originate from different parts of the body. What this means in this era of precision medicine is that these different cancers could all be treated with the same drug. Certain genetic mutations may lead to uncontrolled cell growth, the hallmark of cancer. Novel experimental cancer therapies are being designed to target these specific cancer-causing DNA defects, potentially blunting cancer growth.
There are options for lung cancer treatment beyond chemo, radiation, and surgery. You have a treatment that's less toxic, that has a better chance of working, and in some cases works for a long time.
One of these novel experimental therapies is entrectinib. It's a small molecule that's being studied in a clinical trial open at centers around the world. Ignyta is the company developing entrectinib. Early data from Ignyta's phase 1 trials of entrectinib have shown preliminary clinical benefit in study subjects with advanced cancer. In the majority of suitable patients, tumor shrinkage, sometimes significant, was seen. One of the main requirements to enroll in StarTrek 2 is to have one of the appropriate genetic mutations in the cancer.
So if your doctor has not recommended a genomic panel or molecular testing, sit down and have a conversation and talk to them about how you could get tested for the others if you think you might be interested in a clinical trial.
The trial is offered at many trial locations across the country. If the potential participant does not live near a trial location, Ignyta may be able to open another location that is closer to them, or Ignyta could help to support travel expenses so that a participant can travel to a trial location.
I very much encourage patients to become involved in their care. This does not mean that you don't trust your doctor. It means that you're interested in being part of your healthcare team.
If you or someone you know has a solid tumor cancer, ask an oncologist about StarTrek 2. Find out if enrollment in StarTrek 2 with entrectinib may be appropriate.